afternoon, good evening to my respected teachers. My name is Ritabrata Saha, student of class 9, Satish Chandra Memorial School. And in this video, I will be talking about Fibonacci spiral. So before talking about Fibonacci spiral, let's talk about VVM, Vigyan Bharati Malwa Prant. It is a national level science talent search competition using digital devices and a unique exam. So its main target is to create interest among students in pure science, to provide hands-on to students through workshops and various activities, and to educate children about India's contribution to science and Indian technocrats and scientists. So now let's talk about Fibonacci spirals. So in this picture we can see that there are certain spirals, they are mesmerizing, quite mesmerizing here in this sunflowers picture. Then we have, this is a picture of a spiral of a satellite picture of a clouds. The clouds have similar kind of structures. Then you have cone. The cone has the similar that spirals. The snail has similar spirals. Then chameleon. The chameleon has similar spiral. Then again this galaxy. The galaxy has the spiral galaxies have kind of similar spiral structures. This tendrils have spirals, and all these spirals have something in common. Yep. Then see here cabbage. The cabbage it is beautifully depicted, so you can just see that how this is forming spirals. Everyone can try it at home. There is no big issue, and it is so beautiful to see that cabbage has certain so beautiful spirals. Yep. So the question arises: are they similar? And the answer is yes, they are similar, and they are the Fibonacci spirals. So what are they? So we have a square of side length 1 and another square side length 1. We just merge them and draw an arc. Okay. So 1 plus 1 2. Then we take a square of side length 2 and merge them with them. So it gets 2 and extend this arc. And then 2 plus 1 3. So we'll take a square of side length 3, merge them and extend this, and this process continues. And if we just careful mind, this is the spiral that we were observing in the previous pictures. Let's see. This is another satellite picture of clouds, of a satellite picture of a cloud, and we see the spirals are same kind of. Yeah. This is just see the same spiral, and here is that is this same picture, the same spiral. Yeah. So in Fibonacci sequence, each number is a sum of the preceding two numbers. For example, starting from 2. 2 is the sum of 1 plus 1, 3 is the sum of 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and so on. This process continues, and this gives us to mesmerizing patterns, as we just saw in the pictures in the collages. So the great Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci acknowledged that this spiral was beautiful and somehow found out the golden ratio. He was a great philosopher also and mathematician scientist. The golden ratio, which is nearly equal to 1 is to 1.618. 1 is to 1.618, which is, and taking the ratio of successive Fibonacci numbers eventually gives it is a non-recurring, non-terminating decimal. Okay, it is denoted by phi. So it is a and through this number, it is mathematics defines beauty. It is considered to be eye-pleasing. So this is it. So at last, let's talk about VVM. VVM is a very good exam, very unique, and each and every student must take part in it and must explore science in pure science, and must acknowledge India and Indian scientists, technocrats, and how they have influenced science and technology. So that's all. Thank you.